Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G, and this is Just Plain Tech. Today's video, we're going to look at Linux Mint. Right out of the gate, I want to throw this out. Linux is not just one operating system. It's actually, there are many different versions of Linux operating systems known as distributions. But that's for a whole nother video. So the distribution that this guy promotes is called Linux Mint. Linux Mint has been chosen is because it's extremely stable, reliable, and secure for pretty much whatever you want to use it for. Aside from that, it features an elegant and familiar user interface, so it's, something you're probably used to. You got your taskbar at the bottom, start menu in one corner, all your apps for volume management, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth in the other corner, and it's really something that we're pretty much all used to. So that's really great. And aside from that, you've got other additional features such as slideshow wallpapers, which, some people just can't decide what we want our wallpapers to be, so why don't we just put all of them and have it shuffle every 5 minutes? Why not, right? We've also got desktop animation, like the motion that goes with minimizing, maximizing, closing, opening windows. You can tweak it to make it do a different animation or no animation, whatever you want really, to make you feel at home. For some of those vampires out there, I'm probably one of them. It's got a dark mode, which I think is really nice because it reduces the strain on your eyes, because sometimes when everything is bright, it can get a little annoying, especially at night. So it's great to have a dark mode. You can change the desktop colors, so the color that Linux Mint comes with is like a minty green, and I don't change it because that's my favorite color. Let me know your favorite color down in the comments below. But if the color that it comes with just makes you want to puke, please don't do it, the carpet's brand new. And 2, you can just change it to whatever you want. Blue, red, orange, yellow, whatever else, purple. You get the point. There's a color that you can change it to, which is really great. And again, it will help the user feel a little bit more at home. So that's the look and feel of Linux Mint. Now we're going to talk about the apps that it comes with. It comes with Firefox for, browsing, and most of the stuff we do today is on a web browser, so that will pretty much have you covered. You can obviously install Chrome or whatever else you want if you prefer. Comes with LibreOffice, which is useful for creating and editing documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and it can even read Google Docs and Microsoft Word files. So I think that's really great. And it can easily help you get it done, and it's completely free. So is all the other software that comes with Linux Mint. It's completely free. Linux Mint itself is completely free, no additional cost whatsoever. It also comes with media players such as Celluloid and Rhythmbox for audio and video playback. And it comes with other various little tools for making things like screenshots, for example, much easier. You can just open the app, take a screenshot of the whole screen, a certain window, or you can select a different area. This definitely saves a lot of hassle as opposed to just print a screen, opening Paint, pasting it in Paint, cropping it, saving it. That's a huge hassle that nobody wants to go through, and simple tools such as the screenshot tool just make simple things even simpler. That's the apps that Linux Mint comes with. You're probably going to want to get more apps to do video editing, picture editing, whatever else you can imagine. There's a software store that actually allows you to do that very easily. That's right. No more going on the internet and going to the website and searching for the exe files, none of that. You just go straight to the software store, search it up, or browse the category you want, find the app you want, and just click install. It's all just super simple and easy. So this has been step 1. If you want more information, including a simple slideshow to introduce it to you a little bit more, feel free to check out the website page that I made for this step 1 and that will get you familiar with everything you need to know if you still have any questions. And then feel free to head on to step 2, which is installing Linux Mint on your computer so you can actually use it and get your stuff done quicker. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, have a great day. See you next time.